took the guitar and we put the fret nut on, and I cut the grooves a little deeper with the machinist files. It sounds a lot better now. It has a lot more ring to it than it did before. It sounds better. I wanted to show you some other things now. I went and got some bridges. I'm going to show you the different kind of bridges now. This here is a real ebony bridge. Getting over here with the camera, hopefully. Get a little closer there so I can see what's going on. This is a real ebony bridge. It's made out of ebony wood. When you put one of these on a Martin guitar or whatever, you've got to take down the bridges and you've got to design the bridge to the guitar. This one is real ebony. This is a classical guitar bridge, and it's made out of rosewood. Here is a rosewood bridge for like a Martin guitar. It is rosewood. Another rosewood bridge. And then we have fake. When you get these bridges, or even if you take one off of a guitar, ebony is a lot more expensive than rosewood. And here you see that it's not ebony on the backside, and rosewood has been dyed. Here's another rosewood bridge, or not rosewood, but ebony bridge came off. I believe this came off of Merle Haggard's guitar. And here's another one. This is a real ebony bridge. It's not dyed black, but it's made out of ebony. They are more money than the others. Again, another ebony bridge. That's real ebony. And one of Merle Haggard's bridges there. That one I know is Merle Haggard's. It's got his name on the back of it. I wrote it there a long time ago. Anyway, they broke because he's using the heavy Martin strings, and he used to bring them in pretty often. This is another piece of it here. I went in there somehow or another. Anyway, it's real ebony. Of course, it's on a Martin D45. And those things are expensive. Anyway, this is one of his bridges off of his guitars there. I use that because it's real good ebony. And there's all different kind of bridges I've got in here. There's the old rosewood bridges off of the F-fold guitars. And some of the bridges that went with them. I hope that you've enjoyed this little, maybe educational session here. Please like and subscribe and come back again. Thank you.